Hello everyone and thank you for watching. This is going to be the last lecture in this tutorial, so I decided to make it a bit different. You can see that the layout in our game view looks different and it seems like it is messed up right now, but I will talk about what's going on in a second. So just as an example, if you've done photography at some point of your life, you could have heard this advice from great photographers that you should print your photographs more often, to have them on paper and not on your hard drive or on film or on whatever other medium. And the same thing is actually true for games, so we shouldn't have our games just in Unity. We should build them and upload them to the internet, or we should just play with them on our own devices like mobile phones and tablets. So in this lecture I decided to do just that. I have built this 2-for-8 game that we have made over the course of this tutorial to run on my Android tablet, and I would like to show you this short video in which I will launch this 2-for-8 game on an Android device, and you will see how this game looks and feels on the actual tablet. You will see that all the tiles move properly with the delays that we have introduced. And there are these animations that play on our tiles when a new tile appears or when two tiles get merged together. And another interesting thing that you could see only when you build this game and try to run it on any mobile device, you will see that there's this auto rotation feature, so that when I rotate the device, the whole layout on the screen changes. And because we have used certain useful tricks while working with Unity UI, the layout of our screen will look equally as good when we are in portrait mode and when we are in landscape mode. And another argument for building your own game is that it actually feels great to play your own game and to show it to people, and that you gain more confidence from doing this and a sense of completeness, a sense of achieving something. So I highly suggest that you try to build your games from time to time, even if it's just an experimental game with one scene only. And actually I have to admit that I had to change a couple of things in Unity in order to build this game. So actually what we currently see on our screen is another scene. I have called it main scene tablet because I was making it exclusively to build this game for tablets, and if I switch back to our main scene, you can see that it still looks good for debugging and testing our game in Unity. And now I can switch to our main scene, and I will now try to explain this weird look, why we don't see some text and the text on our tiles, the text in our score HUDs. This is happening because when I tried to build our game from the main scene, I noticed that the size of the text is too small, so I just had to go over each text element that we have in our scene. So for example, this title text, I will go to hierarchy and open this main panel. So for our title text I have set maximum size to 200, and I think I have set about 200 of maximum size for all the other texts in our scene. And what I have also noticed is that when I tried to build this game for my Android tablet, its resolution is actually quite high, so these gaps in between our tiles, they were appearing too small. And when we were designing our game in the main scene here, we had our gaps at 5 pixels, and here I had to set them all at 20 pixels and add 20 pixels of padding. So spacing is 20 pixels and the padding is also 20 pixels. So if I didn't build this game, I would never know that I should make some adjustments in order to make it look good on tablets and other mobile devices. So I think I will switch to our main scene and I will try to sum up what we have done in this tutorial. So in this tutorial you've learned some useful tips and tricks on creating UI and designing UI for multiple resolutions. We have also done a lot of scripting and designing our main game mechanic, and I hope that you've got something useful for yourself from this experience. And we have also done some polishing for this game, so we have added animations and these little delays that I think improve the overall experience of our game. So I would like to thank you for taking this course and congratulate you on completing it. And also I would like to congratulate you on the fact that you can now assemble your own game that will be similar to this 2-for-8 game. I also encourage you to leave your comments and reviews about this course. What did you like? Maybe there were some things that you didn't like. Maybe there are some other topics that you would like me to talk about. So write your opinions and ask questions. I will try my best and answer them as soon as possible. I had a wonderful time recording this course for you, and I really hope that you can get something out of it to use in your own games. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.